Is it this highlight though? Like, look at this. Ooh, contour highlight. Is my makeup really this good right now? Like, what is going on? What is up, bestie? My name is Jeannide and I got what you need, baby. So today we are getting into this matte summer makeup routine using drugstore products. So if you want to know how I created this look using all affordable drugstore products, stay tuned. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, just check out this summer makeup routine tutorial, makeup tutorial. And thanks so much for watching. Deuces. Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning into my summer makeup tutorial. So first off, I'm using the Angel Veil primer, although I almost popped myself in the eye. Goodness, it went right into my eye. But anywho, we're using the Angel Veil primer to prime our face by NYX, and then we're using the NYX Finish Matte Setting Spray. Using my e.l.f. buffing foundation brush, and I'm using two foundations today. I love this combination for some reason, but I'm using the Born to Glow foundation in the shade Nutmeg and the JUVIA'S Place I Am Magic Velvetty Matte foundation in the shade Accra. Accra is 330. So I just love the two together. I just love the way it looks together. And don't forget to blend that neck down. You know, I'm just patting and swiping. I would say I'm just patting it in, but I'm patting and swiping it in. And then actually it does look a little dark, but then I'm you know, contour and highlight and it'll balance out. So I'm using these two concealers right here. I love using the JUVIA'S Place concealer in the shade 13, and I love to mix it with the COLOURPOP No Filter concealer in the shade 36 together also. And I'm just gonna let it sit while I move on to my eyes. Since I'm really focusing on the matte look for my face, I'm just really going to just do like a one shadow look with my eyeshadow. I'm just getting this one brown eyeshadow from the Morphe 3502 palette. And this is how I really like to blend out my concealer, with a flat shader brush. This is honestly just a shader brush for like eyeshadow, but I actually really like to use this to blend out my concealer so I can get, you know, the fullest coverage. So I'm just blending. I did forget my Sacha Buttercup here, to be honest. I totally forgot it. So I had to go upstairs and get my Sacha Buttercup. So Sacha Buttercup, this powder, it's drugstore. I've seen it at some drugstores, but it's kind of like at the higher end of a drugstore. But after that, I'm actually using, I guess, a lower end drugstore setting powder, which is the Set and Smooth powder by Maybelline. Well, Fit Me Set and Smooth powder by Maybelline in the shade Golden Beige, just underneath my eye. So from the True Complexion contour palette for the shades light to medium, I'm using both the contour shade and the sculpt shade. The sculpt shade is a little red, but with the contour shade, they really balance out, you know. After contouring, I'm going to take that Sacha Buttercup and I'm going to carve out, I guess, these cheeks, pretty much carve out my cheeks. And then I'm going to fake contour my nose. Like, this is honest. I don't know why I couldn't just get my finger put into the contour powder and just swipe it up and down my nose. Like, I used the brush kind of, I don't know, it was weird. It was like a fake contour. But so I'm taking Fenty. Fenty is not drugstore, but I really haven't found like a good powder yet. I mean, I feel like Fit Me doesn't have like my shade, because honestly that Golden Beige, I originally used it as my, you know, all over face powder, but that didn't work out obviously because it's too light. So I have Fenty's, you know, Pro Filter Retouch Setting Powder in Honey to set the rest of my face and really take off that excess powder. And now here I'm just using the NYX, once again, NYX lip liner in the color Espresso to line my lips, and also topping it off with the NYX Lip Lingerie liquid lipstick in the shade Push Up. And then I'm going back with the NYX Finish Matte Setting Spray again to set my face before applying my two drugstore highlighters. I'm using my tried and true, my staple, Milani Instant Glow powder in the shade Day Glow. Yes, with the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in Rose Gold. I think it's called Rose Gold. Last but not least, these lashes, honey, they're from Brame. The name of them, I think, is Pretty Please. I love these lashes. Oh my god, it's so bomb. But yeah, that's the end of my summer makeup matte makeup tutorial. Thanks so much for tuning in. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, honey. Thanks so much for watching. Deuces.